Hey, I'm Chris Liu. This is my Rubik's Cube, and I love Rubik's Cube. I started to learn how to finish a Rubik's Cube when I was in fifth grade, and after a few years, I started to teach people how to finish a Rubik's Cube, and yeah, I taught a lot of people, a lot of my friends, a lot of my classmates, and I started my Rubik's Cube club at Heathwood Hall, my American high school, and I taught a lot of people, a lot of students there too. Yeah, today I'm gonna do it. Let's see, check it out. All right, okay, all right, ready. Okay, all right, let's go. That's it. Thank you.